Morning, everybody. Early in the morning. It's 6 o'clock, and we got a few things to do real quick. We've got a storms moving in. I like to experiment with stuff. We're going to plan a few things this morning real quick and try to beat this storm. You can see there it comes right there. We live east of Tulsa, and it's in Tulsa right now, so it should be here in an hour or two. Should give us plenty of time to get some stuff planted, and we're gonna plant some stuff. So let's get her done. All right, we got this piece of ground here. We've been trying to get the nutrients back in it. Been over farmed. We've put several cover crops in here, and we're going to do it again. I've got some sun hemp here we're going to put in there, and we're going to put a row of black oil sunflower seeds, and we'll use part of those for bird seed, but we're going to use part of them, just mow them back down in the ground, let them fertilize. And then I picked up a couple of packs of these chocolate cherry sunflowers. We're just going to throw all those in there, and we're going to use our little earth way to get them planted. Probably won't be very much, but it'll be something in this ground that it needs, and hopefully we can build the nutrients back up in this soil. Let's try this again. We had to change our plates out. Take a couple passes here, I think. Okay, we got all of our sunflowers and our sun hemp planted. We're back over at the main garden now. It's getting hot here. It's getting towards July. So we're going to plant some California black-eyed peas. And they do well in the heat. They'll take a little heat, not the blistering heat, but we got to change our plate out in our seeder. And the plate that I picked is this bean small peas plate. It's got a part number on it. You don't need that. But basically how this works, put this plate down in here. Any other time, it would slide right in. Isn't that life? Just slide right in, and then you want to tighten it. Hold your wheel and tighten it. Supposed to be 200 seeds in there. Let's hope so. We got 2 packs of them. I'd like to get 2 rows out of these, but hey. It is what it is, huh? So, there we got our beans and our plate in there. Let's test it. Alright, the way we test it is you want your seed coming out here. This is your plow. And you want your seed come out here, so all you do is just turn your, see there? So we got the right one in there. Let's go plant them. I'm going to show you a little something I did. There's one there and there's one there. I saw this. I've never done this before, but I got carpenter bees eating my little lean-to up here. And I got one of those. That's about as worthless as you know what and you know what. That's one of them borer traps. But I read somewhere that that carpenter bees don't like hornets. So somebody suggested that I get these paper sacks, blow them up, tie them up, make them look like a hornet's nest that the carpenter bees would leave. And I want you to know, I put these up last week and I haven't seen any sawdust. My four-wheeler down there was covered with sawdust. I haven't seen any sawdust, and I have not seen a carpenter bee. Don't know if it works, don't know if it's an old wives' tale, don't know, don't care. If it works, I'm gonna hang them up everywhere because they sure eat the stuff up around here. Just a little something extra. Thanks for watching. See ya.